Well, it's turning out pretty good. So I got a little bit of a ridge on the top here, but that's easily going to be sanded away, and that just means sanding. Lots and lots of sanding, all the way up to 3,000, something like that, and then we're going to buff it. So let's get this thing wrapped up. It's looking pretty darn cool. I'm totally digging it, man. How do I sand you? All right, all the way up to 2,000. Just by hand, I guess. This isn't even doing anything. I'm at that point. I'm gonna do it because I care. Oh, sanding. I love you so. My voice is even cracking when I say it. It's not true. Nobody loves sanding. Nobody! So there you go, guys. We got ourselves a colored pencil and epoxy bracelet. Now, why would I make something like that? Well, my little one's birthday was coming out and I made her a colored pencil table. It's made out of 10,000 colored pencils, and I had a bunch of these left over and figured, why not make her a colored pencil bracelet that she can wear? So it's a little bit big for her right now, but she's gonna grow into it. And I wanna say a huge thank you to Total Bolt for sponsoring this build and supporting the channel. I make some crazy things once in a while and they seem to love it. So thank you so much. So if you guys are new to the channel and you haven't been here before, go ahead and consider subscribing and hitting the bell notification. I got some really cool things coming up that I just can't share with you guys yet, but as soon as I can, I will, and there's gonna be a ton of content coming out on that stuff. So thank you so much for joining me on this experience. I will see you guys next time.